Hey everybody, it's JBJ Honez. I was looking around online and I saw these ETS magazines. They're 40 round. They say they can hold 40. Maybe I'm getting that in the right direction. Anyway, so I already loaded one up. You can see this thing is significantly longer. This is a Glock 26 mag and this is a Glock 17 mag. Well, it came with a 19X, but it's the 17 round mag. So this thing measures an overall, from the tip of the magazine to the bottom, that's literally like 10¼ inches. So that's freaking pretty long. And then this one is only 4 inches for the 26. And then the 17 mag is only just a hair over 5 because of the angle. So this is what it looks like in the 26, which these are gonna be the two guns I'll take out there and shoot them out. That is just freaking ridiculous, you know, but it's pretty cool. You know, I'm gonna go out there. It is my first shots. I'm gonna go ahead and load this mag up real quick. So that way I have the two already loaded, and then I'm going to go out to the range. My little range here. I'm going to use my Lula loader and unloader. Anyway, so I'm going to use that. So yeah, I'm going to load this up real quick and then go out to the range and see you out there. All right, guys. So we're out here at my range. So I actually counted the rounds as 41 I could fit in there. Last was a little tight. So this is my Glock 26. I got a 50 round drum that I came back here and shot one time before, and after about 30 rounds I kind of got tired of it. So let's see how this does. I mean, just look at it. Looks freaking weird as crap. So let's see how it does. So I had a failure to feed. So let's see. That's one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's like the 11th round. Let's keep going. So one missed. Well, there's that one. I'm gonna get the 17L out now. So see how it runs. It could just be the way I'm gripping the other one. That like I pushed down on the mag a little bit because my pinky was down a little bit. So this is a 17L. So let's see how she runs. Yep, and that's it. All 41 rounds out of it. Not one hiccup with 17L. I think with the 26 is just because my pinky hangs down a little bit. But yeah, I started getting a little like, yeah, whatever. I think my neighbors might be mad, but everybody's supposed to be at school and at work, and it's, you know, I think it's like 10, 11 o'clock already. So, oh well, I'm going to stop the video, clean my brass, but you know, leave comments below, like, subscribe, you know, so. But yeah, I think, you know, for plinking or whatever, I may make another video later, maybe not, of using this in my AR9, because that would be what I would use it for, really, because, you know, it's a rifle pistol thing. So, like I said, like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and have a good week and happy holidays.